where hope was broken, time felt wasted. Raised by the sound of a ticking clock, pressure made diamonds out of every block. No silver spoon, no easy ride, but I found gold in the fight inside. Every tear was a stepping stone. Now I'm loud, I'm proud to stand alone. Oh yeah, I took the pain, I turned it loud. Now look at me, I'm fighting sound. From the bottom, I found my muscle. Now it's built from the struggle. Yeah, oh, built from the pain, I turned it loud. Now look at me, I'm fire and sound. From the bottom, I found my muscle. I was built from the struggle. Yeah, from the struggle, born to rise. Lightning in my blood, power in my eyes. Took the hits and kept my pace. Now I'm dancing in the flood I face. Built from the chaos, born to shine. I made this strength with every climb. Don't need luck, don't need to shuffle. I'm not broken, I'm built from the struggle. Doubted by many, counted by few, but I showed them all what pain can do. Stacked my dreams on broken bricks, turned my hurt into my kicks. Yeah, now every beat's a battle cry. Drums of war under neon sky. I don't run, I own the flame. You can't stop a soul that overcame. I took the scars, I made the art. I wear my fight like a beating heart. No excuses, only hustle, 'cause I'm built from the struggle. Whoa. Built from the struggle, born to rise. Lightning in my blood, power in my eyes. Took the hits and kept my pace. Now I'm dancing in the flood I face. Built from the chaos, born to shine. I made this strength with every climb. Don't need luck, don't need to shuffle. I'm not broken, I'm built from the struggle. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hands up for the fires. Rise up, fire starters. We don't crumble, we were born to rumble. Built from the struggle. Yeah, built from the struggle. Can't be moved, everything to gain, nothing to prove. Raise your voice, this is the anthem for the broken who became champions. Built from the scars, made to shine. We light it up when it's our time. We're the proof that dreams can muscle. Yeah, we're built from the struggle. Whoa.